I'll just be my regular boring self while scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and trying out some TikTok dance that I'm probably never going to learn ever. Until I got a call from a friend. They wanted me to do a living room decor for them, and so I decided to share with you guys. And what's better than a duty call for a bored girl? Aside checking out Pinterest for inspo, I like to do a rough design or rough sketch, just kind of help with my furniture placement, use of colors, just to see a realistic view of what my design is going to look like at the end. So I just got back from Mega Plaza. We got TV and AC since it's a new house, and a few of the other things are spoiled. So we'll be getting delivery by tomorrow, as promised by Mega Plaza. So we'll be waiting for it when it comes. The AC guy will be coming with them to install it, and also the AC guy, the TV person, the person delivering the TV will install the TV too. I'll be getting a delivery for a sofa today. I didn't expect a sofa to come this early. That might actually be the first thing coming inside here. I didn't expect a sofa to come this early, but the sofas that I was trying to get very expensive because I wanted a blue one. They're very expensive, and making a new one is going to take a lot of dragging and fighting with the furniture person, and I don't have that strength. So I got a more affordable one, a black one, from my furniture guy on my way back from Mega Plaza. So it's going to be delivering it now, soon, not now, maybe like in an hour time or something. So it's coming with it. He already called me that it's coming soon. So if he delivers it, then I'll have to work with the black sofa for the rest of the design. Like, I would have to pop the rest of the colors since I'm going for a black. And yeah. For the coffee table and the TV console, I really wanted something close to what I have in my design without having to ask a furniture guy to make it, because that's going to take a whole long time and lots of dragging. So I kind of tried to check online because that's like the fastest way to get anything done. I checked Jumia and Konga to see if I'm going to be able to find anything close to what I have in mind, but I couldn't find anything at all after scrolling for hours. So I decided to check out some Instagram vendors as well, and still the same thing. So I'll probably be going to Mega Plaza tomorrow, check out what they have, because last time I went there I saw something I kind of liked. got is kind of really big, so I have to make sure that the TV console is big enough. And so I had to ask them to measure this one that I think I kind of like, but is the whole marble thing, it's not doing it for me. It's just not doing it for me. So guys, I'm going to check out other ones and see. I don't know, there are probably some that
I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. we could be in love, lighting up the dark. But there's nothing I can do, I can never get to you. So I'm looking for a miracle. Just gonna walk into my room, I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run.